Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about SVG. Why we use SVG? SVG is an image format for vector graphics. It literally means Scalable Vector Graphics. SVG defines vector-based graphics in XML format. So why we use SVG at all? Because SVG has small sizes that compresses well and it scales to any size without losing clarity, looks great on retina displays, and we have design control like interactivity and filters. And if you save the SVG to a file, you can use it directly in an image tag. So let's start. Create a new file svg.html and start with HTML5 and the title SVG. Let's start with the heading SVG, and first we will create a rectangle. So the heading rectangle and the SVG tag and the width and height. Let's assign a width of 200 pixels and height 100 pixels. And then add this rect width of 200 and height 100. And other attributes: fill gray color and the border color black and the border width 5 means 5 pixels. And if the browser don't support the SVG, so a message: sorry, your browser does not support SVG. Save this file, reveal in Explorer, double click the file, and here is our rectangle. Let's create a circle and the SVG tag and the width. Let's give it a width of 200 pixels and a height 200 pixels, and the tag circle and starting point 100 from x-axis and y-axis, and a radius of 90 pixels, and the border color red and the border width 5 pixels. And let's fill the circle with yellow color. Save this, and here we have our circle. And now let's create a polygon. So SVG, width and height, width 300 pixels and height 200 pixels. So the tag polygon and the points. And we can also use styles. So the fill color, let's give a fill color of RGB red 255, and green color 0 and blue 255. and a border, and then border width, the starting point from x-axis and y 110. We can now see this point right now. Then the second point, the x-axis 160 and the y-axis 190. So here we can see the line. So the third point 1078, and here it is. Fourth point 190 and 78, and here it is. Change this to 200, and the fifth point x-axis 40 and y-axis 190. So here it is, the star. Let's change this 200 to 190, and this is the perfect star. So we can add another style here, which is fill rule, and we can say even odd. So this will fill this star like this. So the width 300 pixels and height 100 pixels. And the tag ellipse. We can also add some text here. So the text fill black and the font size 60, and the starting X 50 pixels and Y 100 pixels. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the video, and if you have any question then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.